All right, so tonight I'm gonna quit working on electronics and all that shit for a little bit. I've got other stuff I want to get done. Tomorrow I'm gonna see if I can go to a junkyard and get another wiring harness that actually goes the whole length of the front underneath the dash. Haven't decided yet if I'm really gonna do that, but it's kind of what I'm thinking about doing. You know, I'm having too much fun with this truck, but tonight I'm actually gonna work on the seat brackets. I want to get them mocked up in the truck and make sure that the seats actually fit, because I've never put these seats in this truck. They were in the truck when I got them. When I say in it, they were just sitting in there. So these brackets should work. I did get brackets from Junkyard a couple of days ago, but the brackets I have, they look like they're actually gonna be much sturdier brackets. I'm gonna use these instead. But here's what I'm doing. Now this is strictly rust prevention. You ain't gonna see very much of this except for the corners, but it makes a difference to me. Yeah, I'm going purple. There's purple in the pinstripe on the side, and I figured I'd bring a little bit of purple on the inside of the truck by going purple with the brackets. You're not gonna see much of them because there's underneath the seat, underneath the cushion, but it's gonna look cool in my opinion.